With a Blacksmith subscription, a new section will be available in the sidebar. On the Parts page, you can upload an STL file just like you do in Standard Eiger. For this demo, we'll use a file that's already uploaded. Once the part is loaded, adjust the part settings as needed. On the General tab, there's a Blacksmith switch that can be toggled on and off. Note the Blacksmith scan resolution. Right now it's set at high, which results in a scan time of 1 hour and 4 minutes on a print that takes 14 hours and 22 minutes to print, as shown in the Part Details panel. Adjusting the scan time to medium, for example, changes the scan time to 28 minutes. Though a higher scan resolution results in increased scan time, it also provides greater detail of part quality in the report. On the Print Job Review screen, there's a button to lock in your build. Once pressed, a pop-up reminds you that print settings can't be changed after being locked in. Locking in your build ensures that your part is printed the same way every time. Once your part is complete, navigate to Build in the Blacksmith part of the Eiger sidebar. Find your build and click to see the scan data. As you can see, the part has been thoroughly scanned, including any hard-to-reach areas. This report consists of a Project Details panel, which displays information about the printed part, and a scan point deviation model displaying each scan point on the part's surface. The color of each scan point indicates the absolute value of its deviation from the expected surface geometry. You can choose what tolerance is important by using the inspection bar at the bottom of the screen. Notice how the scan point deviation model changes based on the parameters you set on the inspection bar. View previous scans of the same part by clicking the drop-down menu above the scan point deviation model and selecting past print jobs. We're excited to bring you Blacksmith and look forward to new features and enhancements coming soon.